The Brazil of rice and beans is changing. Homemade meals prepared with fresh food, like the ones served by our grandparents, are losing ground on the Brazilian table.
Brazilians are eating more and more ready-made food and ultra-processed products, which contributes to the growth of chronic diseases, obesity in particular.
Today in Brazil, half the adult population is overweight and 17% are obese.
Brazilians' eating habits worry health authorities, who recommend changes in lifestyle, in the way people eat, and even a greater involvement in cooking.
Check the 10 steps to a balanced and healthy eating plan.
1. Make fresh food the starting point of your eating habits. This is the golden rule. Fresh ingredients are more balanced and have more nutrients.
2. Use oils, fats, salt and sugar moderately. These ingredients, in small quantities, add flavor to your food without harming its nutritious balance.
3. Limit the consumption of processed food. Use it only as part of a meal based on fresh ingredients. Industry adds high quantities of salt and sugar to this kind of food to increase its shelf life.
4. Avoid ultra-processed foods. They are rich in fats, sugars, and additives, while low on dietary fiber. These foods favor weight gain and the onset of various diseases.
5. Eat regularly and without distraction. Whenever possible, have company. This makes eating more pleasant, helps develop connections, and prevents eating too fast.
6. Buy food in shops offering a larger variety of fresh products, like farmers' markets. Choose greenery, vegetables, and fruit that are in season and from local producers.
7. Try to develop a habit of cooking and share your cooking abilities, especially with children and youngsters. If you do not know how to cook, think about learning. Cooking your own food is good to your health.
8. Organize your time in order to give eating its deserved share in your life. Create a routine. Plan your shopping, organize your pantry, and prepare a weekly menu. It is important that all the family get involved and help in meal preparation.
9. When you eat out, choose restaurants that serve fresh meals. Even when you're out, it is possible to eat healthy and balanced food. Avoid fast food chains.
10. Be critical of food ads. Publicity's goal is to sell, not to inform or educate the consumer. Encourage children and youngsters to develop a critic eye early.
These 10 rules have been elaborated by Brazilian specialists and published in the Dietary Guidelines for Brazilians, commissioned by the Ministry of Health.
The guidelines have been chosen the best of the world by Vox, a major news website in the US.